Hey people, so this is a life tip that I felt like sharing, and that is uh, like I've spoken about this before that Tushar Kapoor, the actor, says that there is, we all have it, something known as morning energy. Like in the morning, we tend to, we just have that natural set of energy. So, all that is important to do, be it exercise, be it YouTube recording or anything, it's in the morning hours you have that natural you're able to do it. Because the reason I'm saying this is those of us who've been vegan and we have like B12 deficiency or whatever, as the day wanes, a little bit of that energy level comes down. So that's why it's important to capitalize on, when you feel like you have a lot of energy. So that's what people, as of tomorrow, uh, this movie Malang is releasing. So I'm like, no, but I don't think I'll go for it. But yeah, whatever. It's just so cool. And so that's what, it's a Thursday as I'm recording this, and I just felt like this is an important tip that we should keep in mind, that morning energy is also a thing which you should capitalize on to give yourself a head start to the day. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.